Hi everyone, Uncle Arnel is here and I'll be helping you solve the problem on the board. We have here, if the length of a diagonal of a square is 18, find the perimeter of the square. So we have here a square wherein the sides are equal and we are given this data that the diagonal is equal to 18. Take note that we are looking for the perimeter of the square. So that would be s plus s plus s plus s or 4s. So we need to find the value of s. How? Take note that from this drawing, we can now extract a right triangle. This is 90 degrees here. And this is our right triangle, wherein the measure of the hypotenuse is 18. And this is the measure of the sides, which are unknown. Now, it is our aim to find the value of s. And that would be by the concept of Pythagorean theorem that says the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other legs. Let's simplify. 18 squared is equal to 2s squared. Now, we have to divide both sides by 2 so that we can cancel this. We have 18 squared over 2 is equal to s squared. Now, to get the value of s, we need to take the square root of both sides. So we have to cancel squared sign and the exponent 2. We are left with s is equal to square root of 18 squared over square root of 2. We cancel the exponent and the squared sign. So we are left with s is equal to 18 over square root of 2. Now let's simplify further. S is equal to 18 over square root of 2. We multiply both numerator and denominator by square root of 2. This means s is equal to 18 square root of 2 all over square root of 2 squared. We cancel exponent 2 and squared sign. We are left with 18 divided by 2, 9 square root of 2. That is the value of our s. And now, to get the perimeter, 4 times 9 square root of 2. 4 times 9, that would be 36 square root of 2. This is our answer. That's all for now. See you next time. Stay alive.